Hi, I'm Christina Heideck with PTO Answers, and today we're going to be talking about parents behaving badly. So this is an email from a reader. Let's get to it. It says, "Hi, Christina. I would love to hear more about standing rules regarding conduct. We have had issues in the past about parent volunteers threatening children or parents. But because that is not clearly established in our standing rules that threatening is not okay, we are unable to remove them as a PTA member." All right. Well, let me just say, my eyes were popping a little bit when I read that because for serious, like what is wrong with people? This is a case where I don't think you actually need anything to be spelled out specifically in your bylaws. Like your bylaws are not, that's just not the intent of them. It is really for the operation of your group and to give procedures for people to be able to follow. But like people should just, that should be an assumed thing. Like they can't be threatening people. This is more of a situation where I think you should call in the principal and let her know what's going on and have them do a sit down with that parent to whip them into shape. Because they should absolutely be willing to do that. If they are not, then I would consult, if you were a PTA, I would consult your PTA council president to see what they suggest. And you can also have her come in, assuming it's a woman, have your PTA council president come in to a meeting and just be there to state the expectations of behavior. So you might just have to say, like, we as a PTA believe that that everyone should be treated with respect, and that disrespect, bullying, threatening will not be tolerated. And I'm just at a loss that why people would act like this. I mean, it's kind of like shame on them for acting like that. But so I don't know that I would necessarily recommend amending your bylaws to include don't be a jerk into them, because I'm guessing that this is going to be an isolated situation for you with just this one parent. If I guess it does continue to be a problem, then you can put that under your qualifications for membership, that they have to pay their dues and agree to treat everybody with respect. You could also have members sign like a code of conduct. I guess you could do that. Usually the school will cover that though with their expectations. So again, you might be able to get some backup from the school and have them support you in that way by reminding the problem parent, hey, you agreed to this at the beginning of the year. Don't cut it out. So that is my best advice for a very tricky situation. So I hope this has been super helpful, and I hope you will tune in again for another reader question answered real soon. Until next time, take care.